stars for Lambert. They are Shankar and Silver. They are Shamantangi Indian Garden. There are one star, but is the sun. Town means they are common in the forest. They are in the forest, but is the sun. Push. Push are little push with a long curved beak. They have natural feathers. After seeing paralyzing for insects, they are known for their fan-shaped cat.